welcome to freetradingvideos.com. This is T5, and let's do a quick trade review of the CFC short. Alright, we came across Countrywide when we were doing just a industry group study, and this was one of the worst performing industry groups over the last couple months. So here, Countrywide gave us a great little setup, and this is what we call a narrow range inside bar. Now here, first off, you'll see an inside day is when you don't make a new high and you don't make a new low, putting the day's action inside the previous bar. Plus, as you can see by how small this candle is, it's the smallest range this stock's had in the last 7 days. So volatility is nice and wound up. So we're going to go ahead and place our order to short this if sellers come back into the market under this bar's low, and place our protective stop right above this high, in case things don't work out. The next day we get again the mother of all entries. This is where the stock has a dramatic move in our favor. Now I'm going to use this opportunity to remove my risk from the trade and get my stop to break even. As you can see over the next few days, it gets pretty close to stopping me out at that break-even point before continuing its move down. As it keeps dropping, I'm looking for a logical place to move my stop. Here, we've set up this little pivot high right here. I'm going to use this opportunity to capture some of those profits and move my stop a little in my direction. As it keeps going, we have a dramatic move down here on earnings. When this occurred, I'm going to move my stop down to this point just because I don't want to be participating in the stock if it starts to fill that gap. As it continues down, again looking for another reason to start moving my stop to capture some profits. Here, you'll see we set up another pivot point here. I'm going to go ahead and use this chance to move my stop down, and again, just booking more of those profits. And we get stopped out the next day. What's interesting about this is you'll see it makes another move down. Now, in hindsight, should have ran a looser stop, but got a nice trade and again made a good amount of money based on what I originally risked on the trade. And that's all we go for. Remember, trading is not about perfection, it's about just playing the game. Well, I hope this helps you out in your trading, and again, you can check out a bunch of other great videos at freetradingvideos.com.